Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial on how to do percentages. So we're just going to look at a price and then a percent, which is in a decimal place, is the natural way to put it first, but we'll format it as decimals. So we'll just grab here, we'll right click, format cells, and we'll change it to a percentage. And you can do as many decimal places as you want. Then I'm going to format this as a currency. To 2 decimal places. And then this will be formatted as a currency. And then it's time to do a formula. We could do this on a calculator, but that is not the right way or the easy way to do it. We are going to start all formulas, start with an equal sign. And we take the cost price. And then you do times, which is the asterisk, which is Shift 8 on the keyboard. Times that. And then you just hit enter. And it did. Sorry, this should not have been total cost, this should have been taxes. And then you could do that again. Equal sign, this, times this, hit enter. Or you can do something which is even easier. This black dot lets you fill it down, so just drag it down. And that is how you do percentages with Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.